Okay, so this was the day 2 of working on this cheap car that I bought for my son on Craigslist, 1997 Altima. Today I replaced the valve cover gaskets, primarily because the number 1 cylinder spark plug galley was filling up with oil, and we will see if that's fixed or not. I'm pretty sure it is. Put brand new gaskets in, and I also finished putting the car together after replacing the fuel pump. So now it's got the seats all in and everything's good to go. And I cleaned up in there a little bit, so it looks pretty good for a cheap car. I'm serious, really cheap, because my son's 18 years old and I'm just assuming he's going to wreck it, so I don't want to put too much money into his first car. But except for the paint on the hood, the car doesn't look half bad. Paint's bad up there. Everywhere where the sun hits, I guess, the paint's bad. Back of the trunk, top of the trunk lid. But I wouldn't be ashamed to drive this. It's not that bad. Lots of work to go in the next weekend. I've got new struts, new brakes, new control arms. All the stabilizer stuff's going to be replaced on the front end, and I'll do the work on the back end if needed. I haven't looked at that yet to know what's wrong, but this car starts and runs great after repairing the fuel pump problem. And the valve cover, I cleaned up the top of the engine, so it's looking pretty good. Yeah, I can't complain.